Hello students. So under the unit 2 internet services we are going to learn about the next point is Kerberos. Here we are just learning about the basic idea of Kerberos. Kerberos provides a centralized authentication server whose function is to authenticate users to server and server to user. A Kerberos is basically a centralized authentication server. It helps us to have a communication or maintain a authentication between user to server and server to user. So now you understand what is the Kerberos is. It is a centralized authentication server. Okay. In Kerberos authentication server and database is used for client authentication. Obviously we require only a client authentication. For maintaining a client authentication, we require a Kerberos. Kerberos runs on the third-party trusted server known as a key distribution center. Basically, the working of Kerberos is depend on the key distribution center, which is a third-party trusted server. Each user and service on the internet is a principal. Obviously, it is work on a simple principle, which is key distribution center. The main component of Kerberos are authentication server, database, and ticket granting server. These are the main components of Kerberos. What do you mean by an authentication server? In the authentication server performs the initial authentication and ticket for the ticket granting service. Actually, when the client wants to access a server, it checks the authentication. That work will be done by the authentication server, and the ticket granting service then check the actual features of that client. Next is database. Authentication server verifies access rights of user in the database. In the database, if you want to access a database, you just check whether you are right or you authenticate user or not. Then the TGS. TGS is ticket granting server. Ticket granting server issues the ticket for the server. It means when you want to watch a movie in a theater, you need to take one ticket of movie for sitting the specific seat. You can enter. That time the watchman checks the person. Then you can go to ticket girl, collect a ticket, and next watchman is for collecting a ticket and authenticate the ticket, where is it right or no. It is the simplest process of Kerberos. This figure shows you the user wants to have access a server. It has a simple communication, and every communication it requires some authentication. Where authentication server is present, before accessing a server also you need to give your access or public key to the server, and after replying from the server you can access the server. The same procedure is accessed with the Kerberos only. Next, the steps that present are user log on and use request to the server on a host. Thus user request for the ticket grant service. It means in the step 1, user request for the server. If they want to access a server, he just sends the request to the server that I want to access you. Then user get the ticket grant service. Step 2, authentication server verifies the user access, whether user right or wrong, using database, and then the ticket granting ticket and session key is given to the user, and results are encrypted using password of user. For example, you have password for you to access any authenticated services. Next thing, step 3, description of message is done using the password. When you enter your password, you can enter the service and then send the ticket to the ticket granting server. The ticket contains authenticator like username and network access. You have your email ID. Email ID is nothing but the network address and the username is your name. For example, when you want to access your mails, Gmails, so you have to provide your name according to your password. It is like that only. Then step 4, ticket granting server decrypts tickets sent by user and authenticate the verifies request, then creates the ticket for requesting services. After it creates a ticket to handle the services present in the database. Okay. Then step 5, user send the ticket and authentication data to the server. Then you again send the ticket and authenticator to the server. And step 6 is server verifies the ticket and authenticator, then generates the access to the services or service. After this, user can access the service. When server verifies the ticket which is generated by the step 5 authenticator to the server, then only you can access the actual server. So I hope these simple steps are understood by you. If not, then you can read, you can understand. And the actual description is done by this figure only. Okay. So this is what the today's lecture is. So let's have conclude today's lecture. Today we are going to learn internet services where Kerberos is learned by us. Kerberos is a authenticator user to server communication. Server. Next thing, it has main components such as Kerberos is a server, authentication server, where it uses some main components. Those are authentication server, database, and ticket granting server. Then this working of this Kerberos is explained to you in the 6 steps. So I hope you understand today's lecture. Thank you so much.